Connor's having some lunch, although it looks like breakfast. It is pancakes, but he was eating with his fork so nicely. Can you show us how you eat with your fork? That was a good try. That was a good try. Well, yes. Fingers are also good. Those are yummy blueberries. Can you get the blueberry with your fork? All right. Oh. Where'd that one go? It did it? Did it fall down on the ground? You're funny. You're funny. No, it's okay. Do you want to try and get a blueberry with your fork? No? All right. Okay, never mind. All right, Connor. Bye-bye.